Hello loves, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year! First video of 2019, and yes, I am coming in with a bang. Another hair first with the DryBar. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I started working with DryBar a couple of months ago. I am in love with them, side note, but as our first collaboration, they invited me to their West Hollywood shop to get my very first blowout, and it was such an awesome experience. First, let's just talk about Allison, who killed my hair in the best way possible. She handled my curls with care, and these products had my curls popping, as you could see. So I'm walking upstairs to the VIP area, which, by the way, if this was a regular schmegular day, I would not be up here. I just got to get my blowout done in the special little section since DryBar invited me. Don't panic, guys. I didn't show this on camera, but Allison did use the heat protectant spray from DryBar's line before she went in and started using this heat on my hair. Don't worry. So the process is pretty basic, pretty repetitive, and it was really quick since my hair isn't very thick and my texture is very fine, and if you put any type of heat on it, especially this close, it'll pretty much just liquidate my curls and they'll go straight ASAP. This entire blowout process that she's doing with the brush and then pinning throughout my head only took about 40 minutes. She was super quick, and let me tell you guys, I was nervous. When I walked in, I didn't see any black stylists, and when I met her, she could tell I was a bit nervous. You can see that I'm nervous just a tad bit in my face if you look closely, but she assured me from the get. She let me know that she has worked with 4 type coily hair and that I was in good hands, and she made the process really comfortable. She didn't pull on my hair too hard. She didn't put any of the heat on my scalp, so I didn't feel like I got burned, and we had amazing conversation. So I was just like chilling, and she gave me some wine, so I was really chilling. It was so good. I really do love like the bar theme that the DryBar has. Alrighty, so the basic blowout process has concluded. So Allison and I ran into a minor problem that she wasn't expecting. I wasn't expecting this either because, again, this is my first blowout. So I guess my hair does not hold soft curls very well. In order for it to hold curl, I have to have a lot of hairspray. I have to sit under a dryer and have perm rods in my hair or something. But she did go in with this curling iron to try to get some curls back into my hair, and my hair did form into curls, but once she started to separate them a tad bit, the curls fell flat again. So in the end, she ended up leaving a few like hard, rough curls in my hair. It looks crazy once she's done, but I promise that when the day went out, the curls fell very nicely and I had a nice wave to my hair. I am going to do my own blowout at home. DryBar sent me a blowout kit, and I'm also going to add in some blowout kinky straight clip-ins. Thank you guys so much for watching. Again, Happy New Year. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments what you think about the DryBar, and if you haven't already joined the XO gang, click that subscribe button and also follow me on Instagram. Link is down below in the bio. Peace out, guys.